Hi, it's HardReset, and today we're going to do a comparison of AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro and COROS Pace Pro. So first, the watches. The AMAZFIT T-Rex 3 Pro, I can say that looks more solid as a watch. As you can see, it's kind of thicker right here, and the band isn't that stretchy, and it's just feels more stable, more solid. Then on the watch, on COROS, we have two buttons, one right here. First, I'll maybe go into a home screen. First, right here to search for the workouts, and the second right here, that is a home button. The upper button can also works as a wheel. And on an AMAZFIT, we have four buttons, one in each corner, and it works for the upper right is the workouts, the bottom right is a home button and a workout also, like it's a back button. The left upper is a notification, the same as when we scroll from the top. And the bottom left is for all the options. But we don't have a wheel, so everything we need to do with our fingers. For every, we have other different applications. For the AMAZFIT is Zepp, and for the COROS is COROS. But back to the watches. We're going to compare the workouts right here. First, I need to unlock this one and go into workouts. And okay, I'll just use the wheel for this one. Okay, so as you can see, we have a couple of these, and I can say that the AMAZFIT has a little more of the workouts, but it's not much of a difference right here. But the choosing between workouts is very much smoother on the COROS watch. As you can see, I just used this wheel to go, for example, pull swim and click. But on the AMAZFIT, I need to do it with my finger. Of course, here you can do it with your finger if you wish to. Or maybe... Okay, now it is working, but as you can see, the screen is very sensitive. So in the quick settings, first on the COROS watch, I just saw that it only responds to my thumb when I do something. With the point finger is not working, but with the thumb it does. So on the quick settings, we have the notification, previous activity, heart rate, elevation, I'll just use the wheel, barometer, sun movement, weather, overnight HRV, daily stress, sleep, recovery, training status, and something for every workout. On the AMAZFIT, when we go into the quick settings, we have more settings. First one here, we have the flashlight that you probably don't see very well, but it is flashing right here. The do not disturb mode, sleep mode, theater mode. Here we have the calendar and many options more. So I think that's it for the comparison. It was a very short one, but I think that I showed you the most important settings that I can compare with these two watches. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.